Hello students. Today outside you're in home. Outside you can see many creatures, birds, humans, animals and many others. We think about them that the birds are not like us. They have feathers. The animals are not like us. They have four legs. They walk on four legs. But we walk on two legs and these hands we use for other works. But the birds, they fly only in the sky. So we think that they are not like us. They are light in weight, they sit on wires, they eat the beetles, the small worms. But we are superior. But what if all the birds start thinking? So two birds, Jay and Robin, they are sitting on a tree branch, and start thinking about us, the people. So what these birds are thinking, you'll amazed to get to know. So today we'll begin the second chapter, second poem, the bird talk of class 3 English. So I'll do the actions and you also try to follow. Things said the robin. Okay, you can innovate your actions also. Things said the robin. Things said the jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Okay, take a turn. From the beginning. Things said the robin. Things said the jay. These two are birds, okay? They are talking to each other like this. Hai? This is their beak and they are talking like this. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Take a turn and keep your hands, doing your hands like this, okay? Think about the people. We are people, okay? So be straight like this. Think about the people, the way they grow. Okay, like plants grow, we also, earlier we are small children, but after we grow. Again, think about the people, think about the people, the way they grow. Keep your fingers moving, okay? It's like from down to up. It means growing, okay, increasing. And opposite of increasing is, do your hands like this, decreasing. So but we have to do this like, okay, up. So again, think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Feathers means the small paper like things the birds have, जिनको हिंदी में पंख भी बोलते हैं, ओके, उनको मिला के क्या बनता है, wings. So they don't have feathers at all, you know. They now beetles. What bird eats? They eat beetles. Beetles are small worms. So they don't eat beetles. Do this like, okay. The worms go this like. छोटे कीड़े जो होते हैं, okay. They don't eat beetles, okay. They don't eat beetles. After once we finish this poem, again I'll tell you in continuation, okay. They don't eat beetles, okay. This like do. First fold your finger, after this like, okay, and keep on doing. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. Now wings, okay. You can jump also. This like, okay. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting. Now sit. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Wires you have seen. If you touch the wire, it will give a shock. Okay, so don't try to touch a wire. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Now you have to laugh, okay. Are not people funny? Okay, smile. Are not people funny to be that way? Okay. So from the beginning, now we'll begin in continuation. So you also try once again. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Okay. Or you can now next stanza, 4 lines, 1 stanza. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. Again, they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things means anything, okay? They sit on the walls, they sit on the ground, on the tree, anywhere. But we don't sit. But the bird sits. Last line, last stanza. Okay. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Are not people funny to be that way? Okay. So you can do your actions also. So bye.